Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So ngayon, i-unbox natin itong nabili kong Dr. Zen's IonAir Wearable Air Purifier. So, before pa nag-start yung pandemic, matagal ko nang gustong magkaroon nito. Before yung air tamer lang yung alam ko na ang hirap bumili kasi limited yung stocks. So ngayon nakabili na ako ng portable air purifier. Ang brand nito is IonAir. So yan, clean air everywhere. So lalagay mo lang siya sa neck mo. So you have a personal air purifier. So sabi dito, it can effectively dispel airborne particles including smoke, freshen the air, and bring positive effect on physical health and well-being. It kills viruses and bacteria, increases immunity, and so on, reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, improves breathing, and regulates sleep pattern moods. So, yan. I-try natin to. So pag inopen mo yung box, ang laman niya is yung unit na air purifier, and then meron siyang tong parang lace, and then the charger cable, and the user manual. So yan, basahin muna natin yung manual bago natin gamitin para mas maintindihan natin how it works. So sa pag-charge is simply insert mo lang yung charging cable dun sa ilalim. So yung 1 hour of charging is equals to 8 hours of use nung mismong device. So yeah, nag-charge. So kung red yung ilaw, that means it's charging. Then pag nag-turn na siya into blue, ibig sabihin it's fully charged na siya. So, ganito naman yung pag-on ng device. So, simply pindutin nyo lang ng once. So, naka-on na siya. Pag naka-green, naka-on. And then, pindutin nyo ulit to turn it off. So, ngayon, ilagay naman natin yung lace niya. So, simply insert nyo lang yung tali dun sa butas, and then ganito naman yung pag-lalak niya. Yan. So ganun lang siya kasimple. And then you now place it on your neck para ma-enjoy mo na yung air purifier. So yan. Again, press once para i-on. So yung green light means nagwo-work na siya, naka-on na siya, and nagwo-work na yung device. So yan, ganun lang siya. So for some quick details, so pag binili mo siya, meron siyang 1-year warranty. It uses USB charging for the power, and also gumagamit din siya ng polymer battery. Then yan, capacity, power, and voltage is 5. So yung model na nakuha ko is MR1001, or the 2020 latest mini air cleaner portable necklace air purifier. So yun nga, 1 hour of charging is equals to 8 hours of purifying. So available siya in 2 colors, white and black. So ang size niya is 21 by 18 by 16 millimeters. So ang weight niya is 26 grams. So very handy siya, hindi siya mabigat, and hindi rin siya bulky pag ginamit mo. So ang function niya is 8 million negative ion yung ini-emit niya. So wala na siyang installation na kailangan gawin. It's very handy and very portable. For the price, nabili ko siya for 2,499 pesos plus, syempre plus shipping fee na lang. To order, you could contact them sa Facebook page nila or sa Instagram, IonAir PH. So, yun. They accept bank transfer or COD. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang videos. Thank you.